We up in this bitch. We up in this bitch. We up in this bitch. Oh, we up in this bitch. 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 My house stupid. My car crazy. Pissing drunk, throwing money. Fuck it, we made it. A street nigga. I'm not a star. My friends killers. My bitch a straight nigga Menard. A crime boss. A cut to time show. Find me on top chillin', nigga, my mind low. You like to run off at the mouth like one of them hoes. Don't make me fuck around and show up at one of them shows. My money long, your money gone. Somebody done told you wrong, bitch, who coming home? Go ahead, leave me alone, I go straight bananas. I can barely see my dog from a smoking the fountain. Popping bottles of that rose I pose for the cameras. The whole trying to tear the door to the floor to the gamut. Anticipating something crazy to happen, I'm ready. I ain't had to show a cat what was there in a minute. Saturday, Trill fam, better check the record, better respect it, or you can get it. We'll shut this motherfucker down. We up in this bitch. We up in this bitch. We'll shut this motherfucker down. We up in this bitch. We up in this bitch. We'll shut this motherfucker down. We up in this bitch. We up in this bitch. We'll shut this motherfucker down. We up in this bitch. We up in this bitch. We'll make this bitch close and leave with some big hoes. Pull up at a 5-star suite, buy 10 rooms, get put out the Hilton. Going by 10 more, the middle of downtown, throw a party on the 10th floor. Get off the elevator, hallway full of endo. Big blunts, California kush, got my eyes closed. In back of the club with the thugs and the fine hoes. Ducked off, built up, trying to get my dick sucked. Still here, hell yeah, don't you get it mixed up. $125,000, lit my wrist up. Pussy niggas feel me, real niggas acknowledge me. Last night, old crazy ass girl tried to swallow me. Fuck ass lawyers keep trying to get it out of me. Look, I got your bread, ho. You ain't gotta lie to me. Man, I've been chillin', brothers, being who they trying to be. Stacking my little paper up, hood nigga mentality. Ready for whatever, man. Webby Trill family, we ain't going nowhere, bitch. We here to stay. We'll shut this motherfucker down. We up in this bitch. We up in this bitch. We'll shut this motherfucker down. We up in this bitch. We up in this bitch. We'll shut this motherfucker down. We up in this bitch. We up in this bitch. We'll shut this motherfucker down. We up in this bitch. We up in this bitch. And we don't give a fuck. And we don't give a fuck. Today might be my last, so I'm living it up. Straight face and some ass, so I'm chilling with her. I'm ready to spend more dollars, so send more bottles. Bitch was trying to kiss me on my mouth, that's a body. All black Maserati, all white diamonds. Heart like a lion, hoes like horses. I just love y'all voices. Car was so long, I couldn't even much park it. Left it in the street, told the police for the watches. Now I'm in this bitch, all up inside this bitch. Man, I got the kind of money I can buy this bitch. Got that celebrity cheese, smoking celebrity weed. About as gangsta as it get, bitch, you better believe. Trill fam, Webby, young SAV. Turn it up, we still ain't ready to leave. We'll shut this motherfucker down. We up in this bitch. We up in this bitch. We'll shut this motherfucker down. We up in this bitch. We up in this bitch. We'll shut this motherfucker down. We up in this bitch. We up in this bitch. We'll shut this motherfucker down. We up in this bitch. We up in this bitch.
Girls like we came for the hoes, we ain't came for the fight. I hope them niggas don't be with that bullshit tonight. Cause if somebody try me, I'ma put it in they life. But we know how to party, we know how to party, we know how to party, 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 party. We know how to party.